What's up, guys? My name is Kevin Griffith and this is the Hollar BBQ. As you can see from the title below, this is a subscriber appreciation giveaway video. So no cooking today. I just wanted to spend some time and thank you guys for the support that you give me. So I started this channel about a year ago and I just realized that I really haven't introduced myself to you guys. Everything that I'm about, where I'm from. So I live in a town called St. Helens, Oregon. It's about 27 miles north of Portland, but I'm originally from a small town in Mississippi called McGee. So when I was 20 years old, I was recruited by a top technology company here in Oregon. So I moved from Mississippi to Oregon. And when I came here, being only 20 years old, I grew up around barbecue. I grew up around people cooking all the time. So in order for me to get the same foods, I had to learn myself, because the Northwest and the South are two different places. There's two totally different cooking styles, two different, just different parts of the country. So I had to learn myself. So I have a wonderful wife and I have two daughters. One's just turned 19 and the other one is 10. Our biggest hobbies right now are, my youngest is in softball, so we go to a lot of practices and a lot of games, but we also love to camp. So this summer I'm going to try to take you guys along with us and show you some of the Northwest, if I can get it put together, but that's my plan, is I like to take you guys around and show you some of what Oregon and Washington have to offer. All right, the channel name, the Hollar BBQ, where did it come from? So Hollar, I use it basically in two different terms here. So the first, if you've been watching my videos, at the end I always say holler back, and all that means is come talk to me. That's just, conversation, come have a conversation with me. Now the true meaning of the Hollar, so I've always wanted a restaurant, at least I think I do. I might get it, but might not want it actually, but I've always wanted a restaurant, and right now it's not feasible for me to do that. And so the biggest thing, so with this channel, it allows me to get my cooking out to people without having my restaurant. And the Hollar, the way I use it in this, as far as like if I always said if I had a restaurant, that's what I was gonna name it, was a Hollar. So what does it mean? So in the South, if you say, hey, down in the Hollar, we're talking country here. We're talking down in the woods where maybe the land dips down, kind of like a valley, down in the bottoms, And I always said if I had a restaurant, then that's what I was going to call it, was the Hollar. And I envision it being like this old shack type thing with a front porch with rocking chairs on it. So that's where the name came from. So I've been going, like I said, just a little bit over a year now. And when I first started, I uploaded my videos and I got that first subscriber. And I thought, hey man, this is cool. People are actually watching me. So then I set a goal for myself. I said, hey, if I can get one subscriber a day, by the end of the year, I'll have 365 subscribers. Well, that year came around and I was sitting at 2,000. And that is only because of you guys. You guys have overwhelmed me with support. I'm not as big as all these other channels yet. I'd like to grow this as much as possible. Wherever it takes us, that's what we're gonna do. So today, I'm sitting a little bit over 3,000 subscribers, and I just felt that I needed to do something. So what I did was I reached out to the Burn Shop. And if you watched one of my old videos, this is the guy that made me my custom grill grate for my Weber kettle. Super good quality. He can make you anything you want. It's really good, really good. So I reached out to him and told him I wanted to do a giveaway, and he was in. So what we're gonna do is, for one of you guys, he's going to make a custom grill grate. Now we are putting a $100 value on it, just because I don't need, he can't handle someone with a smoker the size of a Greyhound bus to come in there and say they need their grill grate. So what we're gonna do is put a $100 value. And if you watch my video, the one I had was around $95. So you can easily get one made for a Big Green Egg, a Weber kettle, even some of the pellet smokers. It might be at least a start for you, $100 credit for it. So really cool. So next thing is we need to talk about the rules. How can you win? So number one, since this is a subscriber appreciation, you have to be a subscriber. Number two, I want you to go to the Burn Shop's Facebook page and give him a like and take a look around his website, see all the stuff he's already made, how well he makes this stuff. And then number three, I want you to share this video and then comment that you shared and what kind of custom grate you're wanting. Like, what kind of designs are you looking for? You want your family name, you want a sports team in there. So those two things, so that's, the comments is where we're gonna do a random comment generator picker that will just pick a comment, and that's gonna be who wins. So we're gonna let this go for 2 weeks, and then I'll do I'll pick the winner with that generator. So the commenting is going to be very important because I have to be fair. So when when it picks a comment, I have to see share, the first thing, and then what kind of grate you want. So I need both those in there, okay? If I pick a comment and it just says nice video or just whatever comments, I can't pick that one because we're gonna be fair to everyone. You have to put share and then the type of grate that you want. Oh, and we also have to limit this to North America. These things are pretty heavy. It could get quite expensive to ship it overseas, and that would possibly eat up most of the $100 credit. So for right now, we're just going to stick with North America on this one. All right, guys, once again, thank you so much for all the support that you've given me. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Good luck on this. Oh, and so it starts today, and then 2 weeks from today, I'll do another video where I'll announce the winner. So once again, have an awesome weekend, guys. We'll see you on the next video.